Do you have old overripe bananas laying around? Are they starting to attract pests and other unwanted visitors? Is it stressing you out and causing financial strain? You can't afford to waste bananas. Not in this economy. There has to be a better way.
You're in luck, because there is.
Blueberry banana muffins. I posted a short about this recipe exactly a year ago, and it has amassed a whopping 11,000 views. And life's been pretty crazy for me since then. I've been getting mobbed in the street. We need the full recipe. We need the full recipe. Here we go. This is how you make them. Get ready to, Get ready to turn your life around. Start by unwrapping 2 of your exceedingly ripe bananas. If they're as ripe as mine, they're likely to fall right off the bone into the bowl. This recipe will make 10-ish muffins, and you could easily adjust the quantities to suit the number of bananas you need to get rid of. Then mash them up real good, baby food style. This should be easy because your bananas are so damn old. Add 2 eggs, which I realize is a lot to ask in these trying times, and 1/4 cup peanut butter. I'm using crunchy peanut butter today because that's all I had, which works just as well but will result in a nutty bite here and there in the final muffins. Mix to combine until you've got a mostly smooth consistency. Then grab 1/3 cup all-purpose flour in a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk together these dry ingredients, preferably with a cute, tiny whisk. Moving right along, now it's time to add those dry ingredients to our wet ingredients and mix to combine. Careful not to overmix here. You really only need to stir until the flour mixture is fully worked in. This is looking good. Now for the main event, the blueberries. You can really add as many or as few as you like. 1 cup is a good place to start. This is probably more like 1.5 cups because I like to party. Fold those in, and again, you don't need to overmix. Just stir them in until they're all dispersed throughout your batter. Time to assemble! Grab a muffin tray and line it with baking cups. Then scoop the batter into each of the cups until they are filled to the top. You don't have to do this in as messy of a fashion as I did, but drippage happens, what can you do? Bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Now we just need to bake for 15 minutes and then we will have delicious muffins. Right, Sonia? She's had it with me. Okay. And here they are, fresh out of the oven. Look at these. I love them so much. Ooh! Oh no, can't lose a berry. Oops, all berries, am I right? You could use less blueberries if you want a muffin that's actually going to stay together, but I don't feel like that's my path. Okay, well, I just inhaled that. But how nice is this? We didn't even add any sugar. You don't need it. The sweetness from the blueberries is enough. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.